How to make iPhone speak when plugged in to charge. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shortcuts application on your device. Shortcuts is an inbuilt application provided by Apple. So once you have opened the app, here tap on the automation option on the bottom of your screen and then tap on the new automation option or plus icon on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the search bar you see there and search for charger and tap on it. Now, in this particular interface, make sure that the is connected radio button is enabled and also make sure that run after confirmation is selected. Now, tap on next and then tap on the search bar again and then search for speak text and tap on it. Now, tap on the text option you see there and then go ahead and type in your text that you want your iPhone to speak. For instance, I will type in your iPhone is charging. Now tap on the done option on the top right of your screen, and with this, every time you connect your iPhone to a charger, your iPhone will speak the command that you just set. So, this was about how you can make iPhone speak when plugged in to charge. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.